Welcome to our discussion on Toyota's history, market value, goals, objectives, and more. Toyota is a multinational automobile manufacturer that was founded in 1937 by Soichiro Toyota. The company has grown to become one of the world's largest automotive manufacturers, known for its focus on quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. The market value of Toyota currently stands at approximately $800 billion, making it one of the most valuable car manufacturers globally. Toyota's goal is to continue improving its products and services, while also ensuring the sustainability of the company for future generations. Toyota's profits are primarily generated from the sale of cars, trucks, buses, and other vehicles. The company also engages in other industries such as automotive parts, finance, and technology. Toyota's innovative approach to manufacturing, combined with its emphasis on efficiency and cost control, has contributed to its strong financial performance. The idea of Toyota was invented by Soichiro Toyota, who wanted to create a company that would provide affordable and reliable transportation solutions. Toyota's main factor that promoted the company was its commitment to meet the needs of customers and strive for perfection in every aspect of its products. Toyota likes to do things differently and is known for its dedication to continuous improvement, both in its products and its operations. The company also places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability and social responsibility. In summary, Toyota is a global automobile manufacturer that has been around for many years. It has achieved great success by focusing on quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. The company's market value is high, and its profits are generated from the sale of vehicles and other automotive products. Toyota's innovative approach to manufacturing, combined with its commitment to sustainability, has made it a leading force in the automotive industry.